plan is simple. I'm crafting all 893 Pokemon. The order is random and viewer requested, and I'm creating with paper. Hi everyone, and welcome back to Amy's Art House. If this is your second time here, and you're popping back in after the Jirachi video, thank you so much for sticking around, I really appreciate it. But today I am making a simple Psyduck. I had the papers picked out for this one for a while, and thinking about Psyduck and like what he is and what his powers are, and thinking about 2020, it just seemed like the right thing to do to start the year off. Because Psyduck is like always in a trance-like state and he doesn't really know what's happening. But he's also really, really wise, I think, and I don't know, I feel like he might have done well in 2020 with those skills. Wise but forgetful, and yeah. He's a very mysterious Pokemon, I don't know, but I have some other stuff that I should start that I had like picked out papers for and have been sitting there, like a Cacturn, a Cherub, a whole bunch of stuff, so hopefully I will get to some of those soon. I also started making a clay art for Cyberpunk today, so I'm excited to get that done. I'm not very good with clay, at least I'm a little out of practice, so I'm not sure if it'll turn out great, but hopefully it will. I had some leftover air clay that I had bought a couple of years ago to use with friends, and surprisingly some of it was still good, so I was like, alright, I can use this to make a video, and I don't have to leave the house for it, which is great. The air dry clay though, it's not as good as like Sculpey clay, the baking kind. Or at least in my opinion, I find the Sculpey clay more satisfying to work with. I think I just don't like the textures, right? Like the dusty texture that comes with traditional clays. If there are any types of crafts that you would like to see in 2021, please let me know down in the comments. Any particular Pokemon, other franchises that maybe we both like. Let me know. I think I'll start doing some things other than just paper art in 2021. I don't even know what to say now. I'm a little tired today. I've just been staring at the icon of Psyduck, just looking into his eyes, and he's got that blank expression looking back at me, and this is the result. This is the result while I edit my video. It's been a long day. I don't know, man. So I'm outlining the feet, and I believe I outlined the bill as well because they're very light pieces of paper and very similar in tone to the yellow body. I really loved Psyduck in the original animes, Misty's Psyduck, and I really loved him in the Detective Pikachu movie too. He's just a very, very cute Pokemon. I hope that everybody is doing well and you are finding some fun things to craft. Maybe looking for some post-Christmas sales on Pokemon cards and things like that. Let me know if you found any good deals, because maybe I will order some more so I can open them on video. Oh, something about Psyduck's little arms are just so cute. I just love them. All that's left is for me to do the eyes, the little bit of hair on his head, and to glue him to the page. I always listen to music while I do my voiceovers, and right now there's this song on called Space Out, and that fits Psyduck so well. He is very spaced out. I am very spaced out. I think in a recent video I ended it saying like I'm gonna take a nap. That still stands true. However many days ago that was. But yeah, here is the finished product. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. You are so welcome to hang out here, and I will see you all again soon. Bye!